Hello and welcome to another episode of On the Tech. Today I'll be talking to you about some problems that I think a lot of people have been having with their Digitrex TV. Now I don't think it says Digitrex on the TV itself, but you can check by looking at the remote and it should say the manufacturer on there. So basically what happens is you'll be watching a DVD or playing a video game, and when it almost has a minimum volume point. So when the volume on DVD gets to a certain low level, it just mutes itself, and it happens quite a lot. It may not be just that, but particularly when the film or whatever is at a low volume, not a low volume is in setting a low volume, but for example if there's no background music or anything, it will all of a sudden cut out for a few seconds and the sound will come back on, which I understand can be very annoying. So I've seen quite a lot of people on forums, like I said, complaining. So I mean there could be a number of issues. There could be a number of reasons why this is happening. For example, the DVD player might be faulty. It might be the TV sound. It might be the speakers, maybe you put the settings wrong, but it shouldn't be. It's not one particular TV, so I don't think yours is the only one that's faulty. There are quite a few faulty TVs. Digitrex, I think mine's 19-inch, but I think there are a few other sizes that are a bit dodgy as well. So I mean you can try a lot of things. Now I've tried all of them for you to find out which is the problem. You could try connecting your TV to a different DVD player to see if it's the DVD player. You could try, you could test it out if it's, you could try playing on video games instead of films to see if it isn't the DVD player and it's just the sound on the TV. And to solve it, you could also try and connect your TV to a speaker so it outputs the sound on the speaker. Now I've tried all this and I found out none of them work. None of them solely work on their own. You'll have to do a combination. So what you need to do is you need to plug your TV, the Digitrex TV, into a separate DVD player, and as you'll find, like I did, when you do that the sound still doesn't work. Now luckily for me I had a spare one of these systems lying around the house, but I imagine there aren't a huge amount of people having surround sound systems in their home. So basically that is the solution. You plug in a new DVD player and then you put surround sound on the DVD player, as it's a combination. The problem is a combination of the DVD player and the sound coming out of the TV. So that's what I've done and it has worked. Sorry I can't show you through my DVDs as obviously they're copyrighted. So thank you. If you have any more questions, sorry this hasn't been an excellent solution, as you'll probably need to find a surround sound system in your home, which can be a bit of a hassle, or you'll have to buy one. So sorry about that. If you have any questions or you'd like any other tutorials on how to fix something such as your TV, then please leave them down below. Comment, like, subscribe, and goodbye.